the Logitech Ergo M575 wireless mouse. It's actually a wireless trackball mouse. I know most people are wondering, why is this guy doing a non-audio product in an audio channel? Well, why not? I just got it, so I thought I can just share it with all my lovely community that I have out there. So let's see. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing, but before that I want to talk about why exactly I went for a mouse. I mean, I have a couple of them. They're all working fine, but my challenge has been that my desk space is becoming really cramped, and I had to choose something that does not need much of movement. So a typical mouse has to be, you have to move it all around, and there's quite a bit of space required. But a trackball mouse expects you to use your thumb to use the trackball, right? So I just narrowed down on this. So Logitech has been doing this uh, trackball mouse for quite some time. It's almost a couple of decades, and it's not very popular, by the way, because it takes some getting used to. So this is a red dot winner. There's a lot of marketing, and what really sets it apart is that you can save all the space that you use for a standard mouse, and more importantly, this is something that really caught my interest. It's made from recycled plastic, so this is very interesting. So in my mind, I was wondering that we are becoming too consumer centric, throwing off all that plastic. So this says that 50% of this mouse is made from recycled plastic, basically end of life plastic that has been picked up from old consumer electronics. So that was interesting. And lastly, of course, power efficiency. It's powered by a single AA battery, and it can theoretically go for 2 years. Okay, so with that, let's just switch into the unboxing. Right, it's got Bluetooth and wireless 2.4 gigahertz, just in case you haven't noticed. Okay, I'll just get into the unboxing part. It's a simple cardboard box, nothing too much to talk about, and also, like Logitech says, they're trying to reduce the packaging and keep it pretty simple, which is good for the environment. I mean, what's really good for environment is not to buy stuff, guys. Let's be honest. Buying stuff is not good for environment. But then if we are buying, let's try to see if we can be a little more sensible about it. So there it is, a lot of recycled cardboard, and the mouse is just wrapped inside that. Uh, yep, the standard instructions and warranty, and a simple recycled cardboard cover holding the mouse. That's the mouse, and how to pair it up with Bluetooth or with your wireless receiver, whichever is convenient for you. So, and there's a switch in the back which allows you to switch between Bluetooth and wireless. If you've been using Logitech mouse, I think you should be familiar with that. So first thing you'll notice is it's got this a nice curved design to allow your palm to rest on it. There's a standard trackball, right? Shiny surface. I don't like the colors, but Logitech says that the texture or the coloring actually improves precision, so they stick to only two colors. I think it's red and blue, and this shiny kind of small dots on the surface. It's not textured, you can't feel it, but you can see that shiny dots on that. And then there is a standard button to up your resolution or lower it. So this mouse can go from 200 to 2000 dpi. It's not something you would use for gaming. I mean, not for serious gaming, but you can use it for casual games. Excellent for for office work. And yeah, so the fun part or the useful part is basically the entire mouse movement is from this trackball, right? It's not very fast. It's not like uh, the the scroll wheel that Logitech has that can run thousands of lines in a few seconds. This is not that, but it's probably all you need to move your pointer around. So standard left and right click buttons, and a on and off button here, and you can also pull out the trackball for cleaning if you want to. That's about it. It's as simple as that. So I'll let you know how it goes maybe in a few weeks from now. Thanks for watching.